This video will show you how Bitcoin can protect your money and give you more control over your future. It's a simple idea, but it's very powerful. Many people hear the word Bitcoin, and they might feel confused or even intimidated. They hear complex terms, see rapidly changing prices, and think it's only for experts. But the truth is much simpler. The fundamental concept behind Bitcoin is not for a small group of specialists. It is for everyone. It was designed to offer an alternative, a choice where options feel limited or controlled. So, what is Bitcoin? In one sentence, it's digital money that no person, company, or government can control. Bitcoin has no central authority. It runs on a global network verifying transactions. This network, called a blockchain, is a transparent shared ledger for all. Money native to the internet, open, borderless, permissionless, and always on. The first and most important reason to own some Bitcoin is as a store of value. It helps protect your savings from losing purchasing power over time. Every year, more currency is created by central banks. When supply rises, each unit's value tends to fall. This is inflation, the silent thief of savings. What once cost $100 may cost $130 today. Bitcoin counters that erosion. It has a fixed supply. Only 21 million will ever exist. No one can decide to make more. Like gold, scarcity gives it strength. Only Bitcoin is digital, predictable, transparent, absolutely finite. History shows its long-run appreciation versus traditional currencies. A small allocation in Bitcoin kept and grew purchasing power while cash lost ground. Your money represents your time, energy, and effort. Store it to protect it. Even a small, disciplined allocation builds a financial fortress against inflation for you and your family. Second, Bitcoin moves value across the globe, fast. Send money to family or partners in other nations with ease. Banks can be slow, complicated, and expensive. Forms, hours, conversion fees, and middlemen all take a cut. Days can pass, and your money arrives smaller. Bitcoin transforms this process. Send cents or millions to anyone, anywhere, anytime. It typically settles in minutes or hours, not days. All you need is a Bitcoin address, like a digital mailbox. No borders, no bank holidays, no permission required. It works like email, but you send value peer-to-peer. In crises with capital controls, Bitcoin becomes a lifeline. People used it to protect wealth and to move funds abroad. It empowers freelancers and makes remittances more efficient. A payment network for the internet, open, efficient, and accessible to all. Third, Bitcoin gives you personal control. Held correctly, you have true ownership of your money. This is called self-custody. In banks, deposits are liabilities the bank owes you. They can freeze or block transactions, even seize funds. Bitcoin removes that third-party risk. You control access with private keys, like a powerful password. If you alone hold the key, no one can move your funds. Not a bank, not a government, not a hacker. This is what it means to be your own bank. In Cyprus, deposits were seized to cover bank losses. Self-custodied Bitcoin was outside that reach. Sovereign money restores individual control. Yes, responsibility grows, but so does empowerment. With simple tools, securing keys is now easier than ever. Approach Bitcoin with clear eyes about the risks. Prices can move dramatically, up and down. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you lose your private keys, access is gone. There's no reset line. Still, 3 reasons stand strong: scarcity, fast global payments, and true ownership. Not incremental tweaks, fundamental shifts. A path to greater financial freedom and security. Protect the value of your hard work. Transact globally without friction or gatekeepers. Reclaim true ownership of your assets. In uncertain times, a small, prudent allocation to a decentralized, scarce, sovereign asset is wise. Don't wait on the sidelines. Start small. Buy a fraction. Move it to your wallet. Feel true ownership. This small step teaches more than 100 articles.